You found a perfect 5-minute setup, clean structure break, sharp candle, textbook, everything. It failed anyway. If this keeps happening, the 5-minute chart was never the problem on its own. You are treating the lower time frame signal as the source of information, as if the 5-minute chart decided something independently. It cannot. A lower time frame chart cannot originate direction. It can only react to whatever has already been decided on the time frame above it. Two identical 5-minute structure breaks can mean completely opposite things depending entirely on what's happening. One chart up, a break that's confirming something real on the higher time frame, a major level being reached, exhaustion showing up, has genuine support behind it. A break sitting in open space with no higher time frame reason for price to react there at all is just a clean shape with nothing behind it. The 5-minute chart shows you both as identical setups. It can't tell you which one is real. Two identical 5-minute bearish structure breaks shown side by side, one with a major higher time frame level above it, one sitting in open space. Only the first one holds. Same 5-minute candles, only one of them had anything real supporting it from above. Before acting on your next clean lower time frame signal, finish one sentence first. This is confirming on the higher time frame. If you can fill the dead blank with something specific, you are not looking at a signal. You are looking at a shape that obeys nothing in particular. This is one piece of a much larger framework. Every episode on this channel builds on the one before it. So if this explained something, the next one explains what comes after it.